Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Swapna here. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with yet another glass painting technique. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this elegant wall decor with Buddha silhouette and a vibrant background. If it is looking complex, believe me guys, this is super easy, and even if you're a beginner, you can definitely try this out and create a beautiful artwork on your own. But before getting started, if you are new here, please consider joining the small creative family by pressing that subscribe button. I've already drawn the design on an A5 size paper and I'll be painting on an OHP sheet. You can also use perspex or glass. I'm using a black glass liner from Marabou Glass Art brand. You can choose a glass liner of any brand according to the availability. And for this painting, I'll be using all water-based glass colors from the brand Fevicryl. I'll be drawing the outline from top to bottom or from one side to another. And also make sure to apply even pressure on the tip of the glass liner to get beautiful and uniform lines. Once the lining part is finished, I let it dry thoroughly before starting to paint. So for this painting, I'm aiming for an opaque portion in this part of the painting. So for that, I'm using the white shade from Fevicryl. Since the white shade alone was not that visually appealing, I decided to mix it with a golden yellow shade. I'm applying droplets of that and spreading it using this toothpick. In my previous videos using Fevicryl band, I've noticed that it creates a lot of bubbles while applying the paint. So it is a tedious job to remove these bubbles, and I prefer to wipe it off using a paper towel. Now for the Buddha silhouette portion, I'll be adding the black paint from Pebeo Vitrail. As you can notice, there are few more bubbles remaining in the other portion of the painting, but I've left it like that for the time being because I have plans to add few more details of paints above that layer. And this is how a happy accident happened. As you can see, my black paint was leaking from the portion of the Buddha painting towards the yellow painted portion. As I've mentioned earlier, I've used Fevicryl water-based paint for this portion, and now you can see how beautifully this black solvent is reacting with the water-based paint underneath. And now it has created a beautiful visual effect of a flower on that portion of the painting. Once that is getting dried, I'm moving on to adding colors in the background of Buddha. So I've used golden yellow, orange and red shade here, and I'm blending it using this lolly stick. Since the paint is really fluid, there are chances that it gets leaked to other portions of the painting, so make sure to work on a flat surface. Now the painting part is almost finished, and I let it dry thoroughly before moving on to the next step. As you can see, the painting is thoroughly dried, and I'm moving on to fixing the background of this painting. For that, I've used aluminium foil here. First I'll crush the aluminium foil and then I'll unfold it so that I'll get this beautiful visual effect. So while framing, this is how you can keep the foil as background. But I prefer this portion to be opaque without the glittery background. So by keeping it as background itself, I am carefully cutting off this portion of the foil. And now this is how it looks. And now I need to add few more final details. In this portion, I need to add few more bamboo branches and leaves. I'm using a copper outliner from Marabou to add final details to these flowers and also to this Buddha. Now the painting is finished, and once it's dried, I kept it in a frame like this. Since the painting has a lot more details and designs to it, I prefer to keep the frame minimal. This is how serene and beautiful our end result is looking. I'm so impressed with the colors and texture of this painting. So it's time to let loose your creativity, and please do try this out. And I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press that bell icon so that you'll get all the notification once I upload new interesting and unique arts and crafts videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned guys. Bye.